This bread kept me full for hours, and the secret starts right here. Take back your dough and put some chopped garlic, some rosemary, and some olives. Now knead everything . Put a teaspoon of olive oil and knead again until smooth and homogeneous. Now put the bread ball inside the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a towel. Store it in a dry and warm place. A sprinkle of flour on the table and take back the dough. And look how much it has risen. Put it on the table and split it in 2 portions. Now form 2 balls by stretching the dough. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Again, flour on the table. Take back one of the dough ball and put some flour on top of it. Flour also a rolling pin and roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick and roll it until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Repeat with the other dough ball. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-high heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. Let it cook around 30 seconds and flip it to the other side. Do this around 4 times. And once the bread is ready, wrap it with a towel to keep it warm. So finally, our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. And it tastes delicious. This old bread trick is powerful, but the next one surprised even me. Watch this new video.